in the before question we did 3 questions, more 2 questions were there, so similar questions, that 2 questions, so that is your home assignment, you do as your home assignment, the same pattern, so in the same pattern you have to follow and you find LCM. Now in this question total 5 questions were there, we are going to do 4 questions, 1 question is for your home assignment, that is first question for your home assignment. Now 30 to 48, so we have to do the LCM by division method. Before, so we did LCM using prime factors method. Prime factors method, how we did? By using tree diagram. So in this we have to find the LCM by using division method. Division method we discuss how to find the LCM using division method. 32 and 48, we have to write 32 and 48 and we keep like this. 32 is an even number and 48 is an even number. In one's place 8 is there and in one's place 2 is there. So it is divisible by 2. Then take 2. 2 ones are 2, here 1 left. Gap 1 is there. 2 ones are 2. 2 and 3 gap is 1. That 1 is left here. 2 6 are 12. The same way 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again it is in 2 table. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again with 2. 2 4s are 2 6s are. Again with 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. 2 and 3 are prime number. Then no need to do again. Stop till here. If you want to do, that is your wish. Like this 2. 2 1s are 3, like that only. And again 3. This one as this 3 1s are 3. In this way also you can do. Then 32 and 48. 32 and 48 LCM. Is equal to multiply. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 2s. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now you multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 93. If you don't know, then multiply. 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 96. 96 here, 96 will come. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 32 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 96. The LCM of 32 and 48 is 96 using division method. Now 40 to 70 using division method. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6 and 1 left. 2 5s are 10. Again these two will divide in 7 table. 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35. These 3 are prime numbers. You stop till here, or otherwise if you want to take, then take 3 first. 3 1s are 3 and 5 as it is. Again 5. This one as it is, 5 1s are 5. Now 42 and 70 LCM. 42 and 70 LCM. 2 into 7 into 3 into 5. 2 into 7 into 3 into 5. So 5 5 to the 10, 10 to the 30, 37 the 210. So in easiest way you multiply that. First you make it round. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 10 3 the 30, 33 is 210, 33 is 210. In easiest way you have to multiply. So whatever the easiest way you have to multiply. Otherwise 2 7 is 14, 14 is 42, 42 5 is 210, 45 2 is 210. That is your wish. Whatever in which way you want to multiply, then you multiply and do. Okay, 210. So this is the LCM of 42 and 70. Next, 28, 42 and 56 LCM using division method. 42 and 56. 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. 2 2s are 2 1s are. 2 2s are 2 8s are 16. Now these 3 are divisible by 7. 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28. These and this divided by 2, then take 2. 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. Then 3, 2 are prime numbers. If you want to stop here, otherwise you want to take 3, that is your wish. 1 as it is, 3, 1s are 3, then 2 as it is. Then after that 2. This one as it is, this one as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now 28, 42 and 56 LCM. 2 into 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. 2 into 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 7s are 24 7s are 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, 168. What is the LCM? 168 is your LCM by using division method. Then fourth one, 90, 135 and 80. 180. 0, 5 and 0. 0, 5, 0 means this divisible by 5. Take 5. 5 ones are 5, 4 left. 5 is 40. 5 to the 10, 3 left. 5 7s are 35. Then after that, 5 3 is 15, 3 left. 5 6 is 30. 5 6 is 30. Next 3 table. 3 3 6 is 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 12s are 36, 3 12s are 36. Again 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. And after that 2. 2 1s are 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4. 3 and 2 are prime numbers. If you want to take 3, then take 3. 1, 3 1s are 3 and 2. Again 2. 1, 1, 1. Then 90, 135, 180 LCM. 90, 135 and 180 LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now multiply. 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45, 45 2 is 90, 93 is 90, 93 is 3 0 0, 3 9 is 27 and 2. 2 0 0, 2 7 is 14, 2 0 4 5, 540. This is your LCM. Now the LCM prime factorization method. So we have to find the LCM by using prime factorization method. Again one more time he gave prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method we have to find. So then how to find using prime factorization method? 5. 5 is a prime number, already 5 as it is. 7 is a prime number, then 7 we have to take as it is, because 5 and 7 are prime numbers. Then 8. 8, how can we take 8? 2 into 2 into 2. That's it. So in this 3 nothing is common. Then 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8 LCM. We have to multiply direct all. 5 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then easiest way, you have to multiply in easiest way. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 47s are 280. Once you check, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 47s are 40 into 7, 700, 7 4s are 28, 280. This is our LCM. Why? Because nothing is common in this all the 3. So that is only our LCM. So in this 8 prime factors we have to take 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Then 6, how to take 6? 2 into 3. Then 12, how to write this 12? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12. 4 3 is a 12. So then 8, 9 and 12. LCM. Then how to find LCM? First, what is common in these 3? 2 is common. Take 1 and 2, and in this 1 3 is common, then that is 1 10, and 1 2 is common here and here, so that we have to take 1 and this 2. How to take? In this all the 3, 1 2 is common, 1 2. In this 3 3 is there, that we have to take 1 10. Here 1 2 is there, here 1 2 is there, that is 1 10, and this is left, that we have to take as it is. Then 2 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. Now, this fourth question, this C question is very easy. That is your home assignment. This one. Now, D also same. 24 prime factors. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is the 24. 8 3 is the 24. Next, 36. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 3 is the 36. 12 3 is the 36. Now, 12. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is the 12. 4 3 is the 12. If you don't know, so then here you take like this, and first you take 24, 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, like this. All the numbers you write in this way only. Next, 36 also in that way. 36, 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, in this way. 2 into 2 into 2 9s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are. 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 12 also in that way. So, now, 24, 36, 12, LCM. How to take LCM? 1 2 is common, then another 2 is common, then 1 3 is common in these 2. Here also 1 3 is common in all the 3, and 2 and 3 is left. That we have to take as it is. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 3 is 24 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7, 72. 72 is the LCM. Now, here 48, 56, 72 LCM, prime factorization method. 48. Then how to write 48? So it is a big number, no? It is better you go for division like 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. Then 56. 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 7s are. 7 is prime number. Then 72. 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. Now, one is 48. 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 56. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 56. 2 into 2 into 2 into 6. If big numbers were given, so you find your prime factors in this way. It is very easy. If small numbers are there, then directly you can write. If big numbers are there, first you find prime factors like this. Then after that find LCM. Then 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 48, 56, 72 LCM. 48, 56 and 72 LCM. 1 2 is common, 1 2 is common, 1 2 is common, 2 into 2 into 2. Then after that 1 3 is common, then 2 7 3 left, 2 into 7 into 3. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 into 7 3s are 21. Multiply. 1 8s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 4s are 8 9, 8 10 1 10, 1008, 1008. This is the LCM. This is the LCM. Now this is also similar question you have to do as your home assignment. These are big numerals like this. First you find your prime factors in this way, then after that whatever is the common, that common numbers you have to take, that common multiples you have to take, and find the LCM after multiplying all. And now find the LCM by short division method. So already we did short division method, again the same division method we have to follow. How to find 15, 20, 25, 35 by using short division method. Short division method. 5 0 5 5 is there. So these all are divided by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Now 3 5 7. These three numbers are prime numbers. Now we will stop till here only. Why? Because all the numbers are different numbers, and into that 3 are prime numbers. If you want to take 3, that is here which again 3. 3 ones are 3, 4 as it is, 5 as it is, and 7. This won't cancel in 3. Again, if you want to take 5, this 1 as it is, this 4 as it is, 5 ones are 5 and 7. And after that 7. 7 is a prime. 1 4 as it is, 1 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Now again we have to take 2. 2 2s are. Again 2 2s are. That is 1 1 1. Now 15 20 25 35. 15 20 25 35 LCM. How to find LCM? We have to multiply. 5 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 2. We have to multiply. 5 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 2. 5 is 15, 15 5 are 75. 75, 75 7s are 7. 7 5 are 35, 3 7 are 49, 52. 52, 2 2s are 4 into 4. 4 5 are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 4 5 are 20, 21. 2100. 2100 is the LCM. Next, 102, 135, 119. 102 and 119. These will be divided by 17. 17, 6 are 102. And 135 as it is. 119, 17, 7s are. 17, 7s are. Again, this. These two divided in 3 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 1 left. 3 5s are 15 and 7. And 7. Now 3 4s are 12, 1 3 5s are 15. Now 2 and 7 are prime number. Now we take 2. 2 ones are 2, 45 and 7 as it is. Now we take 7. 45 and 7 ones are 7. Now 45, 5. 5 9 are 45. If you want to take 45 as it is, no problem, because why? Only one number is left. Otherwise you want to divide 45 into prime factors, that is your wish. 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3. 3 1s are 3. Now 102, 135, 119 LCM. 17, into 3 into 2 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 3. 17 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 3. 17 3s are 51. 51 2s are 104. 104 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 ones are 7. 28 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45 into 45. Multiply with 45. 5 8s are 40. 4 5 2s are 10. 14 1 1 and 35 36. 4 8s are 32. 3 4 2s are 8. 11 1 4 is 28 29. Now 0 6 7 3 9 9 10 11 3 1 7 6 0. This is your LCM. This is your LCM. Now this one 300 comma 600. These two are divided by 2. 2 150s are 2 300s are. Again 2 75s are 2 150s are. Now 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 0. 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6. Again 2. Now this one is easy. Then 300 and 600. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. 2 is a 4. 4 5 are 20. 20. 25 are 25 is a 100. 100 is a 300. 300 2 is a 600. 600 is the LCM. 600 is the LCM. Now the last question. 527, 323. These two numbers will cancel in 7 table. 17 19s are 527. 17 31 are 17 31 are. Now so this is these three are prime numbers 17 19 31. Now you stop till here only. If you want to take 19 table, then take 19. 19 ones are 19 and 31. And after that 31. 31 ones are 31. Then multiply. 527 and 323 LCM. 17 into 19 into 31. 17 19s are 527. 17 19s are 527. 527 into 31. Now we multiply with 31. 527 into 31. 527 with 1. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 8. 3 5s are 15. 7 3 13 1 6 1. 16,337. This is our LCM. This is our LCM. So these three are prime numbers. Whenever prime numbers are there, when the numbers are not even numbers, then we check in 3 table, then after that 11 table, then after that 13 table, then after that 17 table, then after that 19 table, then after that 23 table. In this way we have to check. Now here highest common factor or greatest common divisor. So the both were same. Whatever highest common factor and greatest common divisor here. So before we discuss about least common factor, now we are going to discuss about highest common factor. So then highest common factor, what is the highest common factor? We are going to discuss now. Factor. Factor means first of all we have to write the factors of given numbers. In that given numbers we have to take common factors. Whatever the common So in that common we have to take the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. So here LCM least multiple. In the multiples we have to take least multiple in LCM. But here factors, we have to take factors. Factors of the given number. Factor is different and multiples are different. Here factors. Then find HCF of 12. First you take 12. 12 it will go 1 12 the 12. 2 6 the 12. Next 3 4 the 12. And again 1 12 the first in which table it will divide. First one table 1 12 the 12 we know. After that in 2 table we have to check 2 6 the 12. In 3 table 3 4 the 12. And after that in 4 table we have to check 4 3 the. This is repeated. So once it is repeated then don't go further. Then you stop till here only. Till here only. Next 16. In 16 also first 1 16 the 16. Next in 2 table 2 8 the 2 8 the 16. In 3 table it won't divide in 2 table 3 table. In 4 table 4 4 the 16. 4 4 the 16. 4 4 repeats here. Then no need to go further. So stop till here only. Now you take here 12 factors. 12. What are the 12 factors? So these all in U shape you have to take. 1 2 3 4 6 12. These all are factors. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Next 16 factors. 16 factors. Here also we have to take in U shape. 1 2 4 4. Again 4 don't take. 1 2 4 8 16. 1 2 4 8 16. This. First you take 12 factors. Then after you take 16 factors. In these factors, so what are the common factors? 12, 16 common factor. Common factors we have to take. 1 is common in both 1. 2 is common in both 2. And 4 is common in both 4. Nothing is common after that. 1, 2, 4. These 3 factors are common in both. In this common factor, greatest common factor, this one is the greatest. 4 is the greatest common factor. Now, greatest common factor. What is the greatest common factor? This 4 is the greatest common factor. Whenever he asks common factors, first we have to write the factors of the given numbers. So all the factors, write all factors of 12 and all factors of 16. In that all factors, you take the common factors. These are the common factors. In this common factor, greatest common factor. Which one is the greatest common factor? Take that one. This is the greatest common factor. It means HCF, highest common factor, or GCD, common divisor. That is 4. Now, using prime factorization method. So in like LCM, here also we have to find GCD, greatest common divisor, using prime factorization method. Then how? First, our solution, first we have to take 14 prime factors. 2 7s are 14. Next 7 1s are 7. That's it. Here 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. These are the prime factors. 14 prime factors. 2 into 7 into 1 means 2 into 7. And 8 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2. No need to take 1. Then in this common divisor, what is the common divisor in both these two? Only we have to take common divisor. There in LCM, least common multiple means we have to take this one, and remaining also we have to multiply in LCM. But here no need to take, only common one we have to take. Therefore 14 and 8 HCF. highest common factor is only 2. Whatever is the common, that is only the HCF. So using this prime factorization method, so we have to take the HCF like this. By writing our factors, we have to find the greatest common factor in this way. Yes, now here, so before we discuss the HCF using factorization method and prime factors method, two methods we discuss. Factorization method, so in factorization method we have to write all the factors, and after that we have to take common factors. In that common factor, whatever is the highest factor, that factor we have to write. In prime factorization method, we have to take prime factors of all, and after that whatever is the common, that is the highest common factor. Highest common factor of the given number using factorization method. And in this method, here by using division method. Division method, how to find HCF. First we have to take smaller number first, divided by this bigger number. Now 18 ones are 18. Then LCM. Then minus, not LCM, minus. Then 2 and here 12. This 12 is the remainder. This remainder again divides this divisor. Remainder is divides the divisor. First we have to take 18, smaller number, and bigger number. 18 ones are 18 and this is the remainder. Again this remainder divides this divisor. Then 12 ones are 12. Then minus again 6. This is the remainder. Remainder again this divisor 12. 6 twos are 12. Here we will get 0 answer. Here we will get 0 answer. When we divide with 6, the answer is 0. It means whatever number which divides the quotient, so then we get the remainder is 0. That divisor is the HCF. That divisor is the HCF. Once again here, the smaller number is 18 and the bigger number is 13. Smaller number divides the bigger number, and 18 ones are 18. This is the remainder. This remainder again divides. This remainder divides the first divisor. 12 ones are 12. So then 12 ones are 12. Again make it minus 6. This is the second remainder. Second remainder, again this second remainder divides the second divisor. Second divisor, that is 6 twos are 12. This is the dividend. 12 is the dividend. This is the divisor. Divisor, in this case, this divisor makes this dividend 0 as a remainder. 0 as a remainder. This is the divisor, this is the dividend, and this is the quotient. So in this case, this divisor completely divides this dividend. So that is why this divisor is called HCF of 18 and 30. 18 and 30 here. 18 and 30. HCF is 6. Some facts about HCF and LCM. So what are the facts? Listen here. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. HCF. If HCF is 1, then we say that the numbers are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. So listen, whenever HCF is 1, after finding the HCF, if you are getting 1 as a HCF, then it means the two numbers are co-prime numbers. The two numbers are co-prime numbers. In co-prime numbers only, so we will get HCF 1. HCF 1. In 35, 39. 35, 39. How to find 35 and 39? So HCF 35 factors, prime factors. Then 35, 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5. Then 39. 3 1s are 3 3s are 13 1s are. Then 35. Then how can we take 35? 7 into 5 into 1. 7 into 5 into 1. Then 39. How we take 39? 3 into 13 into 1. So what is common in between these two? 1 is common. 1 is the HCF. 35, 39 HCF is 1. It means 35 and 39 are co-prime number. When HCF is 1, then we can say that the numbers are co-prime numbers. Now, second, the LCM of two co-prime numbers is equal to product. Here, 35, 39. If you are going to find the LCM of these two co-prime numbers, just you have to multiply these two numbers. That is only your LCM. In HCF, if two co-prime numbers are there, then HCF is 1. In LCM, the product of two co-prime numbers only the LCM. The product of two co-prime numbers is the LCM. This is the difference between HCF and LCM when co-prime numbers are given. When co-prime numbers are given. Now, if one of the number is factor of the other number, then HCF is smaller number and LCM is larger number. How? 8 and 16. If I take 8 and 16, 8 to the 16. This is the factor of this. If it is a factor of one is a factor of other, then this smaller number is the HCF and this bigger number is the LCM. This bigger number is the LCM. Then how? First we take LCM 8 into 16, 8 and 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are then 2. 8 twos are 16. 16 is the LCM. The larger number is the LCM. The larger number is the LCM. The smaller number is the HCF. If you want to find HCF, 8. 8 to the 16. Here in the first case only it divides completely. This means this is the HCF. 8 is the HCF. When two numbers are given, so one is a factor of other, one is a factor of other. It means HCF is a smaller number and LCM is the bigger number. LCM is the bigger number. This is third rule. In first one, if two co-prime numbers are there, then their HCF is 1. If two co-prime numbers are there, then product of the co-prime numbers, the numbers only the LCM. Then in third case, if two numbers are given, one number is a factor of other, then HCF is a bigger number and LCM is the larger number. Then third case, fourth rule, product of two numbers is equal to their HCF and LCM. If two numbers are there, 8 and 16, product of two numbers is equal to LCM and HCF. How to get? If you multiply these two numbers, it is equal to product of LCM and HCF, product of LCM into HCF, or otherwise LCM can be written like this: first number into second number divided by HCF of a given number. So these four are the facts about HCF and LCM.